in a development that would rewrite the political DNA of Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF. General Valerio Sibanda, a decorated Liberation War veteran and former commander of the Zimbabwe People's Revolutionary Army (ZIPRA), is poised to become the first ZIPRA-aligned figure to ascend to presidency of Zimbabwe and the first secretary of ZANU-PF. The Third Eye News panguva inotaura vachiti Valerio Sibanda's rise as the first ZIPRA-aligned president of Zimbabwe would mark a historic shift in ZANU-PF's legacy. Sarabina mashoko buda nyoko panguva ino aitaura pamusoro pe-elevation Valerio Sibanda to president. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. This moment is not just about personal triumph, it is symbolic reckoning with the past. For decades, ZANU-PF has been dominated by leaders from the Zimbabwe African National Liberation Army ZANU region or the military wing of ZANU during the liberation struggle. Sibanda's potential elevation signals a long overdue recognition of the ZIPRA legacy, which has often been marginalized in post-independent Zimbabwe. To understand the magnitude of this political moment, one must revisit the Liberation War era, when Zimbabwe's freedom was fought on two parallel but ideologically distinct military fronts: ZANU, Zimbabwe African National Union ZANU, Maoist pro-China, trained in Tanzania, China. Josiah Tokukara, Rex Nongo became dominant in the post-independence army and politics. ZAPU, Zimbabwe African People's Union, Marxist, Leninist, pro-Soviet, trained in USSR. Both forces fought valiantly against the Rhodesian regime, but their rivalry and ideological divergence would later fuel tensions in independent Zimbabwe. The 1987 Unit Accord between ZANU and ZAPU formally merged the two into ZANU-PF, but the ZIPRA cadres often remained on the political perch. Who is Valerio Sibanda? Born in 1954, Valerio Sibanda was a ZIPRA commander trained in the Soviet Union and Angola. He later became the first ZIPRA cadet to lead the Zimbabwe National Army and eventually rose to commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces in 2017. His military professionalism and non-partisan demeanor earned him respect across the political spectrum. His recent appointment to the ZANU-PF Politburo by President Mnangagwa was seen by some as a strategic move to balance liberation war legacies within the party. But it also raises questions: will this be a genuine shift or a symbolic tokenism? Can Sibanda navigate the political minefield of factionalism and succession? The rise of a ZIPRA son to the highest office may finally close a chapter of historical exclusion and open a new one of inclusive national memory. Domash konoburaita panguva ino. Bila comment section meduzo mfukuro aim kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwacha arise aiwaya Valerio Sibanda. Bila comment section meduzo mfukuro aim. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.